It is now 11:18 on this Monday night. Betsy, you're talking warmer temperatures. You said above average. Is that what I heard?
Yeah, we're finally stair-stepping up instead of kind of holding steady in the low 30s. Temperatures tomorrow morning will be in the 20s to get the day rolling with a mix of clouds and sun. I think partly cloudy skies become more and more predominant, and maybe even a little bit more on the mostly sunny spectrum of things as we head through the afternoon. The big picture shows that we do have some cloud cover that's out to the west of us. These high, thin clouds are showing up beautifully on the infrared satellite imagery. They're cold, they're high up in the atmosphere, and they show up nice and white. You can barely pick out the shadows, though, of our low-level warm cloud cover that we have been plagued with through the day today. Literally, the cloud deck is at 1,000 feet, and it's not real thick. So once you maybe take off in an airplane, you pop up, you just see clouds for days, but it's all sunny skies above that. Meanwhile, on the West Coast, they are still dealing with this incredible atmospheric river that is just absolutely putting tons of moisture and rain and snow into California. This does look like it will be crossing the Intermountain West and eventually coming our direction. As a matter of fact, that is our next big thing. Once we get to Friday, that's when the best chances for this rain will reach us. In the meantime, we do have high pressure that is still in control, so we will see some sunshine tomorrow. We'll see sun early on Wednesday, but it looks like Wednesday afternoon more and more cloud cover will come in. On Thursday, those clouds thicken up in advance of this storm system that is part of what is coming onshore right now in California, so that by Friday we have a good shot at rain across northern Ohio. Now, as this is all bringing a southerly breeze with it, we will also be warming up in advance of that rain that gets here. After this initial batch of rain on Friday moves through, dependent upon the trajectory that this whole storm system takes, there is a chance we could have a little bit of precipitation, a little rain, snow that sticks around for Saturday as some cooler air moves in. This is where Lake Erie helps us out a little bit now too. And then that also will continue in on Sunday. That is at the same time that yet another storm system out of the southwestern United States is going to be firing up. And as of right now, it looks like we will be on the receiving end of rain with that one, but it'll probably be kicking up a little bit of wind, and then eventually some colder air is going to be dislodged and start to move in. Here is a look at your National Design-Mar hour-by-hour forecast. In the meantime, we will see some of these clouds breaking up tonight. Here's a look at your daybreak temperatures. 8 a.m. upper 20s. It will be chilly tomorrow morning. The sun is going to help us out quite a bit. I think if we're going to have cloud cover, best chances for cloud cover will be our friends out towards Sandusky, Norwalk, Bellevue. Otherwise, partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies for the afternoon. The sunshine does good things to us this time of the year, not just our moods, but also the mercury, as our high temperatures will likely make it into the low 40s everywhere except the lakeshore, because that cooling lake influence will still kind of put the brakes on the heating for the immediate lakeshore areas. Your Union Home Mortgage outlook, though, changes everything once the southerly winds come in. We'll be in the 50s for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Friday's when that rain gets here. May stick around for Saturday. We'll have another shot at rain, maybe snow come Monday. And then beyond that into next week, there's the cooler air. Winter is far from over, friends, but thankfully no major winter storms in the offing, at least for us.